Hi, welcome to this 13 million condo here in McKinley West. This is Park McKinley West, and as you can see, this is the actual unit. Come on, let's check this unit. At first, you can see your kitchen right here. It's complete already. May kasama siyang induction cooktop, range hood, granite top, may sink na retractable faucet. I like this. And then, ang mga cabinets natin, soft close na rin. Let's go. On your right side or left, this will be your complete toilet and bath. Have a look. You already have a complete shower, glass door partition, sink and mirror, water bidet, and water closet. Very nice, right? Now this is your living space. Buksan natin yung ilaw. You can feel and check your couch here. And then pwede tayo maglagay ng TV right here. It's very accessible sa guests. And this unit is particular good for Airbnb kasi some people, they use it as rentals and they can earn their money through renting. Tara, let's check the bedroom. So if you can see, may aircon na tayo sa bedroom. And kanina sa living space, meron din aircon. So 2 aircons are included. And then you have this access to the balcony right here. You have a view of the amenities and Makati skyline, depending on the view na pipiliin natin. Mapapansin nyo rin yung audio, maingay kapag binukas. So, ibig sabihin, it can lessen the noise kapag nakasara yung unit natin. Yun yung maganda sa mga mirrors natin. For this one, it starts around 13 million and we give 25% cash term discount. If you're interested, you can get this for only 10 million pesos. So, the usual, ang ginagawa ng mga clients namin, they just do 15% down payment and their monthly is just 13,000 per month for 3 years. And it comes with lump sums around 230,000. So it's perfect kasi with the 13,000 monthly, you can rent it out for Airbnb ng mga 150,000 per month or 200 depending on the peak season. So doon ka palang makakabawi with your rentals and the appreciation value. So if you are interested, inquire to my video and let's talk about this.